Welcome to the JHM Billet Bosch fuel pump HPFP cover. We make these for all the Bosch style pumps with the solid lid. We also make them where they have a hole for the 4-cylinder motors. You can find all the fitment on our website. This is 2 parts. They're sold each. These are the milled version. We also have a solid black. And when we also supply extra O-rings, I just have 2 here because I'm only doing 2. Because if you ever remove it, it will destroy the O-ring, and that's why we give you extra. So the first step is getting the O-ring in there. We made it very precise fit. So I drop it all the way inside, down the edge. This is honestly the hardest part. So I kind of hold it, and when I do it, I'm kind of walking it. Because if I just go straight up, I pull it out. A lot of patience. Got to go slow. Because as soon as you could pull it out easily, you see that I goofed on this one already. So it just takes some patience and holding your finger in place. It's actually good this one's fighting me on this one, because you can see the fun we can have when it doesn't go perfectly straight. We had to make it this small and this precise of a fit, so it fit nice and clean. So we want to go ahead and get it on this pump. And you just want to make sure it goes on straight. You shouldn't have to fight it. You got to kind of twist it, rock it, like it's already crooked a little bit. There it goes. So when you go, it goes down to the edge. And we can either clock it like that, clock it like that. On this motor, I like it like that. So once you know it's flat and it's twisting smooth, you check the gap all the way around that it's even. You should never have to force it to get it to right above the threads. And then the O-ring will drop right in. So the last step, you can use a piece of wood, a mallet, pop it on. It will never come off unless you want it off, and to get it off you would actually just twist it and destroy the O-ring, because the threads will rip it up. That's why we give you extra O-rings, but there's no reason to ever take it off unless you have to change your pump or something.